Chapter 1, An Introduction to New Zealand's Legal System. 1.1, Introduction. Hi, I'm Julie Schmidt. I've been a lawyer, a lecturer in communication studies, an award-winning journalist, and while at law school, I was top of 13 different papers and won numerous other awards. Currently, I'm a full-time mum and I live in sunny, tropical northern Queensland, Australia. Thank you so much for buying my course. I can't wait to get into the fascinating world of New Zealand's legal system with you. Let's get straight into it. 1.2, a quick history of New Zealand's legal system, the common law. First of all, a legal system is the way a country's laws are organized. There are two main types of legal systems in the world. There's the civil law and there's the common law. New Zealand follows the common law system. To give you a bit of history, I'll quickly explain where the common law comes from. In England, before the 11th century, judges would make decisions based on the local rules of an area. This was a bit unfair, because if people had the same scenario before a court, a person in one town might have received a different outcome to a person in a different town. So in the 11th century, William the Conqueror, the King of England at the time, decided to send out the same judges to different areas around England. These judges were told to decide cases in the same way across the country. They therefore had to know what other judges had decided previously, so if a similar case came up before their court, they could decide on that case in the same way. The decisions these judges made became the law that was common to all of England, and thus the common law was born. Today, the common law means a system of law where laws come from both statutes and cases. And by the way, a statute is also called an act or an act of parliament as well. Common law exists in countries that have an English influence, like New Zealand, Australia, the USA, Canada, the Philippines, Pakistan, and Hong Kong, to name a few locations. 1.3, common law versus civil law. The other major legal system in the world is called the civil law. In civil law countries like most of Europe and South America, as well as China and Japan, law only comes from statutes. Cases show you how the laws are applied, but they are not actual sources of law themselves. This is different to the common law, where cases are actual laws themselves. In the next chapter, we'll look at how law comes from cases. Let's get into it.